Hello everyone, welcome back to AI and Automation Studio. In the previous lesson, we learned about the cells object and how to refer to a cell using row and column numbers. Today, we're going to combine variables and cells to make our VBA code more dynamic. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose I want to write the name Ganesh into cell A5. I can write cells 5, 1.value equals Ganesh. This works, but the row number is fixed. Instead, let's store the row number in a variable. First, I'll write dim row number is long. Then, row number equals 5. Now I can write cells row number, 1.value equals Ganesh. When I run the macro, Ganesh appears in cell A5. Now I'll change row number from 5 to 10. Without changing the cell's code, Ganesh will now appear in cell A10. That's the advantage of using variables. We can change the value without changing the main code. Let's take one more practical example. Suppose column B contains a monthly salary, and I want to calculate the annual salary in column C. I can use cells row number, 3.value equals cells row number, 2 value multiplied by 12. If the monthly salary is $50,000, VBA calculates $600,000 and puts the result in column C. Now imagine changing row number for hundreds of employees. We don't have to rewrite the code for every row. This becomes even more powerful when we combine variables with loops, which we'll learn later. So remember, cells tells VBA where to work, and variables make that location dynamic. In the next lesson, we'll learn then else and teach VBA how to make decisions. For example, VBA can check whether salary is above $50,000 and automatically display high or low. If you found this lesson useful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI and Automation Studio. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.